Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that. After that you can see first link asus.com is officially website. So just click on it. After that click on support and then click on driver and manual. Then type just model number. Select all driver, all type of versions, driver installations process same. Then click on driver and tool. Now this is your model number of, and if you change to, you can just click to another model and select it. Then scroll down. So this is also graphic card there, you can just click to download and next. This is a printed device, you can see touchpad and click to download. So it is completed, just click to open. After that click on yes, then okay, then next, accept, next, installed. Then you can restart if you want.